I wanted to show some food I'm prepping, which is keto. And it's just some bacon. And then in the meantime, I washed some greens. And these are some organic collard greens. Ignore that phone. I'm on hold on my phone, so I have to leave that on. I know it's annoying in the background. And I feel like I'm going to use some sesame oil in it. And what is this? Some onion salt. And then black pepper. So I already washed the greens, so I'm going to chop them up after I take this bacon out and then put that right into this. I normally store the bacon fat in this jar that I got from Dollar Tree. This little cute jar right here. Guys, sorry, got the window doors open and getting all kind of noise. So I'll usually get this funnel right here and put it on top here. I've been having these greens and anxious to get them cooked before they try to go bad because I hate wasting food, but we have been busy these past few days just getting wedding stuff done for my daughter's wedding that's quickly approaching. And then also, you know, we're like kind of eating on the go. Although I have stuck to keto, believe it or not, eating on the go. My daughter, she keeps forgetting and wanting to bring me food, buy me food, and I keep saying, I'm keto, I'm keto. I sound like a cute little song called I'm Keto. So that's what's prevented me from getting to these greens. But I guess it really doesn't matter because how I'm preparing them, you know, I think that if they're a little wilted or dried out or whatever, they not as firm as how when I first purchased them, I think that's okay. And I'm definitely going to cook them all because there's no point to leaving these for any other day. So this is what it looks like. Let me move this. In the pan, got my fire on low right now just because I didn't want to turn it off all the way after cooking the bacon. So I decided to pluck these off the stem here and then cut it up that way. Yeah. I'm so excited for this meal. So I'm determined to make it as tasty as possible. And also, you know, of course, with the keto guidelines. So it's right now 5 something, but I had company so late last night, and then when I finally went to bed, I took this pill that my doctor gave me that I hate taking, but I think that pill makes me extra sleepy or groggy when I'm groggy in the morning. So I got up really late, and then I just had my coffee when I got up, and I haven't, oh, and I had some berries, and then now I'm going to be cooking / meal prepping for the couple of days at least. I don't pour the oil in there when it's piping hot. I don't even know why, but I had just poured it in here, and then I'm gonna pour the rest in there. I might put some Himalayan sea salt on there. Also, even though I'm using the onion salt, I just need the onion flavor in here. So, and this bottle just happened to have salt, so that's how this is going down. My other oil, which is my favorite oil to cook, and in fact, the first time I had sesame oil was with some greens that a co-worker of mine made, like way back in 2006. So I'm drizzling that on. And guys, it already smells really good. But just for measures, I'm going to go ahead and put some of this on. Just going to get these tongs and stir it around. Make sure everything get the flavor. Get some oil and flavor mixed together. Oh, it smells so good. And you already know how collard greens, the greens, and spinach and cabbage and all that stuff, it wilts down to whatever. I like to wilt it down to the point where I'm going to get a crunch out of it at least. And that's even before keto. That's how I enjoy cabbage and all of these vegetables, with a little bit of crunch. So you know what? Since I'm not feeling like cooking right at the moment, and I need to eat something, I'm going to take this off of the fire and come back for it. So, I'm going to put a lid on it, so with that lid it might continue to cook, even though I did turn the fire on. Yeah. I have the wingettes cooking. This is what the greens look like. The wingettes. And I basically season them in some salt, paprika, turmeric, and the oil is olive oil, extra virgin olive oil in there, along with a little bit of bacon grease. So that's where the yellow color is coming from, or the orangey color. But the thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to cook them on low and put a top on them. So I may not show this dinner plated because this is meal prepping, but I'm just letting you know at least some meal choices. I'll be using these two to plate this. And I'm going to have, of course, a lot of vegetables and 2 meats in each.